Welcome to Class 8 Mathematics, Chapter A Square and A Cube. Here is a fascinating puzzle. 1323 is not a perfect cube, but there is one specific number you can multiply it by that will transform it into a perfect cube. Can you figure out which number? Let us discover it together. Before we tackle 1323, let us recall what makes a perfect cube. Take 216, that is 6 cubed. Its prime factorization is 2 cubed times 3 cubed. If we write it out fully, we get 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Notice, we can split all the prime factors into 3 identical groups. Each group is 2 times 3. That is the rule. For a perfect cube, every prime factor must appear a multiple of 3 times. Keep this rule in mind, we are about to use it. Now let us crack 1323 open and see what is inside. We start with prime factorization. Is it divisible by 2? No, it is odd. What about 3? Let us check the digit sum. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 equals 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, so 1323 divided by 3 gives us 441. Can we divide by 3 again? 4 plus 4 plus 1 equals 9. Yes. 441 divided by 3 equals 147. Again, 1 plus 4 plus 7 equals 12. Yes. 147 divided by 3 equals 49. Now, 49 is not divisible by 3, but 49 is 7 times 7. So 49 divided by 7 equals 7. And 7 divided by 7 equals 1. We have reached 1, so we are done. So our complete factorization is 3 times 3 times 3 times 7 times 7 in exponent form, that is 3 cubed times 7 squared. Now here is where the magic happens. We said every prime factor's exponent must be a multiple of 3. Let us check. For 3, the exponent is 3. Is 3 a multiple of 3? Yes. So 3 cubed is perfectly fine. But for 7, the exponent is only 2. Is 2 a multiple of 3? No. That is the problem. If we try to split these factors into 3 identical groups, look what happens. The first 2 groups are fine. 3 times 7. But the third group has a 3 and no 7. We are 1 7 short. So we need just one more 7 to complete the third group. And how do we get one more 7? We multiply by 7. Watch what happens. The third group now has its 7. So all 3 groups are identical. 3 times 7, 3 times 7, 3 times 7. 1323 times 7 equals 3 cubed times 7 squared times 7 to the power 1. 7 squared times 7 gives us 7 cubed. Now both exponents are multiples of 3. And look, 3 times 7 is 21. So this equals 21 cubed. Beautiful. Let us verify our answer. 1323 times 7 equals 9261. And 21 cubed, that is 21 times 21 times 21. 21 times 21 is 441. And 441 times 21 is 9261. A perfect match. Both calculations give 9261. So the answer is multiply 1323 by 7. Here is the reusable technique. Step 1. Find the prime factorization. Step 2. Write it in exponent form. Step 3. Check each exponent. Is it a multiple of 3? Step 4. Multiply by whatever prime factors are needed to make every exponent a multiple of 3. Master this method and you can turn any number into a perfect cube. Now you can look at any number, peek inside its prime factors and figure out exactly what is needed to make it a perfect cube. That is a real mathematical superpower. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next question.